Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing your core assets so the motion serves the story. Import footage and layered graphics, then set the sequence to your target frame rate and aspect ratio. Once done, organize layers, name them, color code, and convert to motion-friendly formats like shapes or pre-comps. Start simple. Animate a single element to test timing against audio. This establishes scale and pacing quickly and prevents chasing work later. Make sure to save incremental versions before adding complex animations. You now build core animations focusing on transforms so motion reads cleanly. Animate position, scale, rotation, and refine the anchor point. Use easing to avoid robotic starts and stops. Once you have readable motion, use motion paths and limit to 2 or 3 keyframes for clarity, then nest into pre-comps to keep timelines tidy. Make sure to parent related layers and use masks for reveal effects. This approach keeps complexity manageable while creating layered, intentional movement that supports your edit. You finish by polishing contrast and motion fidelity so graphics integrate with footage. Apply motion blur, subtle drop shadows, and color accents to cell depth. Adjust blend modes and add 1–2% subtle noise if needed. Once done, render a low-res draft to check timing and sync, then export full quality at target bitrate. If you see stutter, increase frame interpolation or check nested pre-comp frame rates. If edges alias, enable higher sampling or scale vector layers. Save a final backup and deliver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.